If you're thinking about selling your home in 2025, you've come to the right place. The real estate market is always evolving, and being prepared can make all the difference. Today, I will be sharing 5 things that you absolutely need to know to sell your house this year. So let's dive in. Number 1, understand the market and price it right. Remember, in 2025, buyers have access to a ton of information online. So you want to equip yourself with the most current information about what's selling and for what price in your neighborhood. Knowing whether or not it's a buyer's market or a seller's market can make you be realistic about how to price your home competitively. Overpricing can scare buyers away, while underpricing can leave money on the table. It is a good idea to get a comparative market analysis that can help you set the perfect price ahead of time. Number 2, organize your home's records. Gather all the necessary paperwork to streamline the selling process. Check with your local county office to determine if you have any front foot assessments, ground rents, or special taxes that might affect your sale. In addition, create a list of all of the upgrades and renovations that you've done, including any warranties. So if you've gotten a new roof, a new HVAC, or a water heater, you want to make sure you know the dates for those. Having this information readily available can make the buyers more confident and speed up the negotiations. Number 3, first impressions matter. In 2025, curb appeal is still king. Fresh paint, clean landscaping, and even a new mailbox can make a huge difference. Whether you hire a professional or DIY it, make sure your home looks its best. Inside the home, declutter, depersonalize, and make sure you rearrange the furniture to highlight the home's best features. Upgrade lighting, paint with neutral colors, and clean everything. Buyers want to envision themselves living in the home. Number 4, be flexible with showings, open houses, and inspections. In today's fast-paced world, buyers expect convenience, and 2025 is no exception. The more buyers can see your home, the better chances of you selling it quickly. Try to accommodate as many showing requests as possible, and when your home goes under contract, be as accommodating with the available dates for inspections as well. Number 5, work with a professional. For most people, selling their home can be an emotional journey. It's hard to let go of something that you've grown accustomed to for so long. So it's good to have someone by your side to help you stay focused on your goals, handle the details, and advocate for your best interests, from pricing to closings, from marketing and negotiations. It doesn't hurt to have help. So with that being said, if you're thinking about selling your home, I love to guide you through the process and help make it as smooth as possible. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions you might have, or if you're ready to get started. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye.